we studied yesterday. We're gonna go through a quick summary, and then everybody else. Today we're gonna look, and let me actually bring this thing back. Come here. Today we're gonna do chapter 3, which is going to be let me actually show you right here. Give me a second.
Dining and shopping.
We're gonna do dining and shopping today. Okay, so my German students, VoTV Academy, here we go. So let's start the classes. Let me see. Okay, let me. Okay. Everybody is ready. Scholar, you ready? Nemo is ready. Lucky girl, welcome to VoTV. Okay, you are my sugar. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna start right here. Nemo Scholar, do you wanna start with? Can you read? You wanna start with the top? I'm gonna. Let's do a rehearsal. Let's start with the rehearsal of basic phrases. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Also Nemo, guten Morgen.
Yeah.
You start. Utaanza kusoma
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen. Scholar number 8.
Number 8.
No, just look at the sheet right here. Angalia kwa hiyo. So number 7 is guten Morgen, good morning. So now you say good day. Well, how do you say that in German? Can you see it?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Sehr gut.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend, good evening. Sehr gut.
Guten Tag.
Go on.
Guten Nacht.
Gute Nacht. That's good.
Guten Nacht.
Nacht.
Gute Nacht. Nacht. Sehr gut. Let's go to number 11. Easy.
Number 11.
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Hii inakaa kuning'oa meno.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Sehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Sehen.
Sehen.
Auf
Yes,
Wiedersehen.
exactly.
Auf
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay, that's bye-bye. Now let's go to the next one. See you later.
Bis später.
Bis später. Nemo start. Say it again. Bis später. No, you're not. You're not late. Bis später. Okay. Is here for the classes. Thank you. Is here. So let's do this. Just to make it. Okay. Take care of the noise.
Yes.
Too much. I don't know why you have too much noise back there. But let stay there first. I'm gonna mute you first, and allow me to say to all the students. Remember, all these classes are also on VoTV YouTube. So, like what we had yesterday, you can watch that segment on VoTV YouTube. So make sure you subscribe on VoTV YouTube. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Nemo, what's your name? Number 13. What's your name auf Deutsch?
Wie heißt du?
Du hast versucht. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Say it again.
Heißt.
Wie heißt du?
Heißt du.
Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du?
Sehr gut. Wie heißt du?
Wie heißt du?
Okay. Let's go to next one, number 15. Can you help me? Scholar, can you do it?
Kannst du, kannst,
Number 14. 14.
kannst,
Let's do 15 first because I said, okay, let's start with 15 it's first. Okay, thank you, Nemo, for the correction. So let's do 15 first. Can you help me? Scholar?
15. Kannst du mir helfen?
Kannst du mir helfen? Kannst du mir helfen?
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got the flow. Say it again. Nochmal.
Kannst du mir helfen?
Kannst du mir helfen? Kannst du mir helfen?
Help.
Okay.
Helfen.
Kannst-
Ama help.
Helfen. Helfen. Say helfen.
Helfen. Helfen.
Helfen is das Stammwort ist die Hilfe. Okay?
Hilfe.
Do. So die Hilfe
Kannst
is,
du mir helfen?
okay?
Okay.
You see right? So let me show you right here. Let me come to number 15.
Help.
Okay? So you
Yeah.
see it right there? Okay, so Hilfe, die Hilfe is help.
Kannst du mir
Okay.
helfen?
Okay, yeah. Kannst du
Helfen.
mir, yeah, kannst du mir helfen? Kannst du mir helfen? So let's go now to 14, Nemo. I don't understand. How do we say that?
Ich faste. Ngoja. Ich faste nicht.
Okay, you got it. You got the flow. It's fine.
Ist it nicht oder
Okay,
nicht?
let me say it again. So ich verstehe nicht. Ich verstehe nicht.
Ich verstehe nicht.
Ich
Nicht.
verstehe.
Ich verstehe.
Yeah.
Ich verstehe nicht.
Yeah. So if you come to verstehen, so the word is, okay. So read this word out loud. Say verstehen. Read it out. Say verstehen. Scholar,
Verstehe.
Verstehen.
Verstehe.
verstehen. Remember
Ich
the V?
verstehen.
Yeah,
Ich
verstehen.
verstehen nicht.
Remember the V is the F.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ashley is giving you the tips again, okay? Okay? So ich
Yeah.
verstehe nicht. Say it again.
Ich verstehe nicht.
Sehr gut. Ich verstehe nicht.
Ich verstehe
Ich verstehe nicht.
Sehr
nicht.
gut. Ich verstehe nicht. Okay? Let's go to the next one, the number 16. How much is this? Yes.
Was kostet das?
Sehr gut. Was kostet das? Sehr gut. Was kostet das? Once you get this simple formula, the W is V and
V.
V is F. My friend, German language will become so easy for you, you won't even believe it. In terms of pronunciation. Okay? So, I'm going to say I'm going to write this word out. I'm going to say, ich bin stolz auf euch. You see the one I wrote up here? That means I'm proud of you. Ich bin stolz auf euch. That's something that you see as a compliment.
Auf
Yeah.
euch.
Auf euch. Auf euch. Okay?
Ich bin stolz auf euch.
Ich bin stolz auf euch.
Auf
Sehr-
euch.
Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Ich bin stolz auf euch. That means I'm
Auf
proud of
euch.
you. Okay, again, welcome to VoTV Academy. Deutschunterricht für Anfänger. German lessons, German classes for beginners. Now, let's go today. Today we're going to do something pretty interesting. We're going to talk about, today we're going to focus on dining and shopping.
Dining and shopping.
So, put this thing properly so you can see the numbers. Perfect. So let's start with number 37. This is something that, again, remember what I told you, that German is a very, it's it's a very respectful language. The way you ask a question, like all these words like bitte, which is please, okay? You're gonna Entschuldigung, bitte, Entschuldigung, bitte, okay? So let's go to number 37. Write that down. When you're asking someone, I would like to, okay? I would like to. You say in German, ich hätte gerne. Okay? Ich hätte. Hätte, as you can see, it's with, you see those two dots on the A? Let me show you right here.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you what we call them in German. You see A, but hold up. You see it looks like this. Yes. There you go. Okay. So say meet. I'm going to teach you this today. Okay. Ja, Schätzelein. Alphabet, das machen wir nächster Unterricht. Okay, you see okay. Pay attention now. You see that the A has two dots on the top. You see that? The two dots on the top of the alphabet is called umlaut. Umlaut. Okay? So, and when you pronounce, every time you see an A with an umlaut, the pronunciation is A. If it's not, and that's actually we're gonna learn tomorrow with we're gonna do alphabets and letters in the next class. Okay. So remember we haven't started. We're also gonna start building on the German grammar. That's gonna be coming as well. So this is just simple introduction for you guys, but then we're going to get into numbers, we're going to get into alphabets, and then we're going to get into German grammar. So you say, I would like to. You in German, you say, ich hätte gerne. Ich hätte gerne. You want to try that, Nemo?
Yeah.
Ich hätte gerne.
Ich hätte.
Ich hätte gerne.
Sehr gut. Sehr gut.
Ja.
So,
Ich hätte.
okay. So let's say, for example, you want to put that in a sentence. For example, you can say, ich hätte gerne eine Tasse Kaffee. I'm gonna add that as a full sentence, okay? Write it down. You see this right here? Ich hätte gerne Kaffee. I would like to have some coffee.
I would like coffee.
Yeah. Okay. You want to say that in German as a sentence?
Ich hätte gerne Kaffee.
Kaffee. Sehr gut. Skoda?
Ich hätte gern Kaffee.
Ja, ich hätte gerne.
Gerne.
Make sure you, sehr
Gerne
gut.
Kaffee.
So,
Ja.
yeah. Ich hätte gerne Kaffee. Okay. So let's take an example. Yeah. Ich hätte gerne ein Glas Wasser. Ein Glas. Let's do this. Okay. Let's put that in a sentence again. Nemo, you see what I wrote up there.
Ich
hätte
hätte
gerne
ein Wasser.
Wasser.
Normally you say ein Glas Wasser, but because it's not fitting in,
Wasser, it's
just
what?
say ich hätte. Yeah, that's water. That's right. Ich hätte gerne Wasser.
Hätte gerne.
Ich hätte gerne Wasser.
Okay. Okay. So that's a very respectful way, a kind way of asking for something. Okay. So for example, like and normally someone will ask you in German. Can you check what I just wrote up there? Was möchtest du haben? Let's say for example.
Du haben.
Okay. Let's play this scenario. You're in a restaurant, okay? And I come on your table and I'm asking you, what would you like to have? And you're gonna say, can I have some coffee? So let me ask you that. So I'm gonna ask you, no. So Nemo, the scholar, I'm gonna ask you and then you're gonna reply. So let me start. Was möchtest du haben? Nemo, ich hätte gerne.
Was möchtest du haben?
No, I'm asking you the question. No, you give me the answer. You give me the answer. And the answer should be, I would like some coffee.
Ich
hätte
gerne Kaffee.
Sehr gut. Okay, machen wir nochmal. So, was möchtest du haben? Nemo?
Again?
So, I'm going to ask you, was möchtest du haben? And you're going to say, ich hätte gerne Kaffee.
Ich hätte gerne Kaffee.
Yeah, ich hätte gerne Kaffee. Say it again.
Ich hätte gerne Wasser, even Wasser.
Sehr gut. Aber was anderes. Scholar, sehr gut. Scholar, was möchtest du haben?
Ja. Ich hätte gerne Kaffee.
Sehr gut. Oder kannst du auch sagen, ich hätte gerne Tee.
Kaffee.
Ashley has, yeah, Tee, as you can see, Ashley has written that down for you in the comments. Tee is T-E-E. Okay?
Tee.
Ja, Tee. Sehr gut. Okay? So, ich hätte gerne Kaffee, ich hätte gerne Tee. Sehr gut. Machen wir weiter? That means let's continue. I'm gonna also
weiter.
machen wir weiter. As you can see up there. Okay. So after you've consumed your meal or your coffee or your breakfast, then it's time to pay the bill. And then look at number 38. The bill, please. In German language, you say, die Rechnung, bitte.
Die Rechnung, bitte. Die Rechnung, bitte.
Sehr gut. The keyword right there is